For Lafayette homeowners, managing energy costs is a year-round concern. Hot, humid summers place heavy demands on air conditioning systems, while cooler winter months still require consistent heating. If your utility bills seem higher than they should be, outdated or inefficient windows may be part of the problem. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce energy use, improve comfort, and save money throughout every season in Lafayette. Here's how energy-efficient windows help homeowners keep utility bills under control all year long. Reduced heat gain during hot summers. Lafayette summers can be long and intense, with high temperatures and humidity pushing cooling systems to their limits. Older windows often allow excessive heat to enter the home, forcing air conditioners to work harder and longer. Energy-efficient windows help by using low-E glass coatings that reflect solar heat, reducing heat transfer through insulated glass, maintaining cooler indoor temperatures by blocking unwanted heat. These windows significantly lower cooling costs during peak summer months. Improved insulation for cooler winter comfort. While winters in Lafayette are milder than in northern regions, heat loss can still drive up utility bills. Drafty windows allow warm indoor air to escape, leading to higher heating expenses. Modern energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane insulated glass argon gas fills that slow heat transfer, tight ceiling systems that prevent drafts. These features help keep warm air inside, reducing the need for constant heating adjustments. Consistent indoor temperatures reduce HVAC strain. Temperature fluctuations from inefficient windows make heating and cooling systems cycle more frequently. Over time, this increases energy use and puts added strain on HVAC equipment. Energy-efficient windows stabilize indoor temperatures, reduce frequent on-off HVAC cycling, improve system efficiency. This not only lowers monthly bills but can also extend the lifespan of heating and cooling systems. Lower energy bills without sacrificing natural light. Many homeowners worry that energy-efficient windows will limit sunlight. In reality, modern designs allow plenty of natural light while controlling heat and UV exposure. Benefits include bright, naturally lit living spaces, reduced need for artificial lighting, protection against interior fading. This balance helps homeowners save on both electricity and cooling costs. Tight seals prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Air leaks around old windows are a major source of energy loss. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and precision-fit frames that block unwanted airflow. These tight seals keep conditioned air inside, prevent outdoor humidity from entering, improve overall indoor comfort in Lafayette's humid climate. Moisture control also contributes to better air quality and comfort. Reduced noise adds to everyday comfort. The same features that improve energy efficiency, multi-pane glass and tight seals, also reduce outside noise. This is an added benefit for homes near busy streets or active neighborhoods. Quieter homes feel more comfortable, making energy-efficient windows a lifestyle upgrade as well as a financial one. Long-term savings add up over time. While energy-efficient windows are an investment, the savings continue year after year. Homeowners benefit from lower monthly utility bills, reduced HVAC maintenance costs, increased home value over time. These savings help offset the initial upgrade cost while improving daily comfort. Professional installation maximizes energy savings. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installation ensures accurate fitting and alignment, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air and moisture leaks. This step is essential for achieving full energy saving potential. A smart year-round investment for Lafayette Homes. Energy-efficient windows help Lafayette homeowners save on utility bills in every season. By reducing heat gain in summer, preventing heat loss in winter, and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, these windows deliver lasting comfort and cost savings. If rising energy bills are a concern, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart, practical solution that pays off year-round, making your home more comfortable, efficient, and valuable for years to come.